All right, kids, subtraction compensation, same change, day 5. You'll remember yesterday we started doing some 3-digit minus 2-digit. Today we're going to do 3-digit minus 3-digit. These are hard. They take practice, and we're just going to keep doing them. Remember, in compensation with subtraction, we have to do the same thing. If we don't do the same thing, our answers will be different because it changes our difference. So always do the same change. Now remember, the thing about compensation is we need to be making the problem easier. If it's not easier, we shouldn't be doing it. Now, today we're going to do some that are a little tricky, but again, there are other strategies that we are learning and other strategies we will keep learning. So if compensation isn't a great strategy for that problem, choose a different strategy. All right, let's look at 600 minus 217. Remember, we want 99s on the top now because we're in the 3 digits, and 100s on the bottom. So 600 minus 217, we could add 99 to get to 699, but if we're at 600, let's just subtract 1 and go to 599, or 217 minus 1 and get to 216. That's pretty easy. So let's subtract each column and get 383. Make sure you're always lining up your hundreds, tens, and ones column. That was pretty easy. I like that problem. Let's see what happens if we add our partners to 100. So 17's partner equals 83. We can quickly do our 90 plus 10 check. That seems like it would be hard to add 83, but since it's a partner, we know the answer is 300. Now, 600 plus 83 equals 683. Oh, 683 minus 300 equals 383. I actually really like that one as well. So decide whether you like subtracting 1 to get into that 99, or if you like adding partners to 100 to get to the next 100. Both of those were good problems. All right, 546 minus 192. Now I'm looking at this and I'm saying, okay, if I add 53, that would get me to 599, and that would be easy, but it's not going to be easy to add it to 192. What if we subtracted 47? That would be easy up on top, but that wouldn't be easy down here either. So I'm actually going to take my advice and not do that. That wasn't easy. How about if we made this be the next 100 by adding 8? Well, 192 plus 8 equals 200. 546 plus 8 equals 554. I kind of did a break apart in my head to get to 554. And then subtract and get 354. That was a pretty nice problem. Again, I'm happy to compensate on that one, getting to the next 100. Let's try next one. 774 minus 449. Well, I could subtract 75, but I don't really want to do that. That's not easy. I could add 25, and that would get me to 799. That's not too bad. So I will add 25 to that. And 449, if I pretend that's 450 for just a minute, then that would give me 474. Subtract and get 325. That was a little bit tricky, but not too bad. Let's add our partner to 100. If I add 51 there, ooh, that means I have to add 51 up there. This is easy, but adding 51 to that is not easy. I don't like that one, so I'm going to just do it that way. Now, I will tell you why it was harder to add. See the big digits? 2 of my digits that were on top were already the bigger digit. It was almost a no strategy needed. Anytime there's no strategy needed or almost no strategy needed, that's when the addition is harder. Let's try 861 minus 270. I could add 38 on top. That would give me 899. I could add 38 on the bottom. Well, 270 plus 30 equals 300. 308. Subtract and get 591. I like that one. That one wasn't hard. Or I could add 30 to the bottom and 30 to the top. That's 891 minus 300 equals 591. I actually like that one even better. That would have been my favorite way there. Again, with 3-digit minus 3-digit, you have to look at each problem and decide which would be a better way, which is good. We want you to think about problems and not just doing them. Okay, 542 minus 148. Well, we could add 57 to get to 99 up on top, but that wouldn't be easy. I could subtract 43 because 542 minus 42 is 500. So that would give me 499. I could subtract 43 on the bottom, and that's easy, which would give me 105. Subtract and get 394. That wasn't too bad. I can do that problem. Let's try adding the partner on the bottom and adding 52 to the top. 542 plus 52 equals 594. That wasn't bad. And we know this is 200 because we picked our 90-10 partner. Subtract and get 394. I like that one too. So again, with 3-digit minus 3-digit, you need to look at the problem and think about it. Use your number sense and decide which way is easier. Some of them, neither way would be good, and that's when we think of a different strategy, like number line or picture proof or shopping. Okay? Have a great day.